Hey, what's up everyone? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session, I would like to show you how you can delete a branch locally and remotely. So I'm in one of my projects which I created lately, and in the previous video I created a local test branch which you can see here, and this local test branch I also uploaded remotely to my GitHub account. And now, how can you delete the local and remote branch? The answer is pretty easy. To delete a branch locally, you simply just need to write git branch -d and the name of the branch, which is test in this case, and you might receive an error if you are standing on that branch. So let's check out the main branch, and let's do it once again by simply just going through the history of the commands of the command line back, and there it is, the branch is deleted. And now if you try to check which branches you have locally, you will see the branch that you just deleted this way is away. And now, how can you delete the same branch remotely? This is also very simple, but the first thing that you need is to find out the name of your remote, and this information you can get by writing git remote -v, and now you will see the name of the remote and also the address of it, and this information you can use to delete the branch remotely. The instruction for this is git push the name of the remote, origin in my case, -- delete and the branch name, which is test. I will hit enter, and there it is. The test branch has been deleted. Let's go check it out on the remote server. Now, when I click on this, I still see test, but I did not refresh the page. So I will refresh it. I will click here, and there is only one branch, the main one. The test branch has vanished. And this is how you can delete a local and remote branch. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.